Are you craving something crispy, spicy and bursting with flavor? These Poha Cutlet Bombs are a total game changer, crunchy on the outside, soft inside and packed with cheesy surprise, perfect for tea time, parties or school lunch boxes. Start with rinsing 1.5 cups of thick poha. Make sure you rinse it well in a sieve, not in the bowl, or otherwise you will end up with mushy poha like this. So rinse it well in a sieve, then let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes until soft and fluffy but not mushy. Now for the base, in a mixing bowl along with softened poha, add the below mentioned ingredients and mix everything into a stiff dough. Time for the stuffing. You can use classic mozzarella cubes, thick mint coriander chutney. Take a small portion of the poha mixture, flatten it in your palm and add the stuffing in the center. Gently roll it into a ball, seal well so nothing leaks out. Now dip each ball in cornflour slurry, which is made of just 1 tablespoon cornflour mixed with 3 tablespoons water. Then roll in breadcrumbs or crushed poha flakes for an extra crispy crust. After doing this, keep all of the Poha Cutlet Bombs ready in a tray. Fry the bombs in medium hot oil until golden and crispy. You can deep fry or shallow fry. Just don't overcrowd the pan. Once they are done, keep them aside so that the extra oil is removed. We are going to make a dip. To make the dip, simmer tamarind pulp with jaggery, cumin powder, red chili powder, salt and a splash of water. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. This sweet and tangy chutney pairs perfectly with the spicy bombs. These Poha Cutlet Bombs are crunchy, spicy and full of surprises. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.